Hello, in this video I'll show you how to fix error code with Honda and Acura P0304 cylinder for misfire. I'm gonna use the seafoam method because I don't feel like opening up the top of the valve cover. I'm gonna use this little cup here, and I tried seafoaming it through that brake booster hose in there, and it didn't fix my issue with the cylinder 4 misfire. I also tried seafoaming through this hose. It didn't work. But then when this hose that has some plumbing that goes down to the ERG valve, this is the one that you want to clean and possibly remove your error code. First step, I'm going to remove the clamp, the hose clamp, and then slide off the hose. And now I'm going to prepare my seafoam cup. Just gonna fill it up to the top. This is one of those little shot plastic disposable glasses cups, and so you just fill it up, start your engine, and so now you can hear the noise of the vacuum sucking through the intake. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bend the hose into the cup. Let me try a better position. It's hard to do with one hand filming. It's easy to do with the other. So I'm going to suck the liquid into the intake. And I already fixed this problem. I just didn't film it the first time, but I had a misfire in cylinder 4, and this is what fixed it for me. So I did about two cups, and after the second cup, that's when the misfire went away. So that little intake tube was clogged with the carbon, and so the seafoam works as a cleaning agent. So you just do it without, let it suck all of that liquid in without stalling the engine. If your engine's gonna stall, just move the hose out and let it breathe again. So just get all the way to the bottom, and this could possibly clear the carbon in your intake. Just put the hose back, and you see the idle went back to normal, and put your hose clamp, and you are good to go. All right, hope this helps. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.